Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use generative fill in Photoshop. Before I show you how to do it, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, what you want to do is open up your Photoshop, and from there input the image you have or that you want to extend the background of using the generative fill. So first you must press C on your keyboard and make it wider on whatever areas you want. So for example, I went with this side. Then just confirm it. Then go to the select tool right over here and choose the entire thing and click on generative fill. Now you can tell it what to generate, but if you just click generate, it's going to create something based off the entire image. Now you need to give it some time for it to create it. And as you can see, it has created. Under properties, you have three options it created, and you can choose the one you like the most. Now, as you can see, it's not, it's perfect. It's not like 100, it's 99% perfect, because potentially we can see the line, but to do that, you just need to select it more carefully in the future when you're selecting it. So don't make sure that you don't have any white lines in between the selection and what you cropped. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.